My name is Michael Schetter. I am Managing Director of the InShape gyms and also of the InShape here in Esslingen. We have positioned ourselves in the premium segment of the fitness industry, and in addition to highly qualified trainers, we aim to offer perfect service, and this naturally includes our entire product portfolio. What our target audience wants at the counter is excellent coffee with a wide range of coffee specialities. And we spent a long time looking for the perfect machine for our needs. The decisive factors for us when choosing the coffee machine were ease of operation, a wide variety of products, first-class coffee taste, and of course, simple handling. From cleaning via operation right through to durability. With the WMF 950S, we found the perfect model for our needs.